Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. Today I'm back with a super special video. This is a very exclusive product and I'm probably the first person to unbox this product on YouTube. This is SJcam's brand new SJ8 Pro action camera. The special thing about this camera is it can shoot in 4K at 60 frames per second. This is a very high quality action camera and comes in this sort of box packing. You've got the SJcam branding and the model is SJ8 Pro. Now this action camera comes in 3 models, SJ8 Air, Plus and Pro. SJ8 Pro is a top spec model. It can shoot videos in 4K at 60 frames per second, has an Umbrella H22 chipset, 12 megapixel Sony sensor, also has electronic image stabilization and has a USB Type-C interface for charging and data transfer. Let's see what else is written on the box. Here's a list of accessories that come with the camera. I'll show you that later. Let's check out the backside. You've got the specs of this camera. The SJ8 Pro has a 12 megapixel Sony IMX377 CMOS sensor, a 170° HD wide-angle lens, can shoot photos in 12 megapixel resolution and videos at 4K 60 frames per second, has a 1200 mAh battery and supports up to 128GB microSD cards. So these were its specs. You also have 2 QR codes here to download the SJcam app on your phone. Now let's get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and cut this tape over here. I want to thank GearBest for sending me this product for review purpose. And also guys, the SJ8 Pro comes in 2 packages, full set and only the camera. I've got the full set with accessories. The price difference in both the variants is around 2000 rupees. So the box slides out like this. On opening the box, we've got the SJ8 action camera at the top. Let me take it out and show you. So here's the SJ8 Pro action camera. It comes in this waterproof case. It's a 30-meter waterproof case and the build quality looks nice. It's made of high quality plastic and feels quite heavy for an action camera. We'll check it out in a moment. First, let's see what else do we have in the box. You've got lots of accessories in it. Let me show them to you. You get a bike mount so you can fix it to your bike's handlebar. Few helmet mounts and adhesives. Few more mounts and stickers. A USB Type-C cable for charging and data transfer. Tripod mount adapters. Few more different type of mount adapters. A touch back door for the waterproof case. A lens cap for the camera, SJcam branded cleaning cloth. The quality is nice. You also have a user manual. Just make sure to read it for all the info on the product. And finally, you also get some SJcam stickers in the box. So these are all the items you got in the box. Now let's check out the SJ8 Pro. It's a 4K 60 action camera and comes in this IP68 30-meter waterproof case. The design of the case looks similar to that of SJ7 Star. Let me open the case and take the camera out. So here is our brand new action camera. Before we check it out, let me first close the case and keep it aside. So this is how SJcam's brand new SJ8 Pro looks like. This is our first look on this camera guys. You've got the SJcam logo and it says SJ8 Pro here. Beside that, you've got 2 LED indicators, a 0.96-inch OLED display on the front. I guess this is the mic. It has a 170° wide-angle 7G lens and also has 2 aspheric elements in it. The build quality is excellent. It's made of aluminum and has a soft matte finish on it that gives it a very premium look. On the left side, you have another mic for noise cancellation and a USB Type-C port hidden below this flap. At the top, you've got the shutter button and a speaker beside that. On the right side, you got the power on off button. Let me show you the bottom. At the bottom, you got a 1/4-inch thread to fix it onto a tripod or a monopod and the battery compartment beside that. Let me open it and show you. The SJ8 Pro has a 1200 mAh battery. This is how the back looks like. You've got the SJcam branding and the camera has a 2.33-inch IPS Retina touch display so you can watch the previews in really good quality, and since it has a touchscreen, the navigation is also super easy. So that was our overview on the SJ8 Pro. It definitely feels heavy compared to other action cams. It weighs about 85 grams. Let's power it on and see if it got some juice in it. To power on the action camera, press and hold the power button for about 2 to 3 seconds. There you go, it booted up. And from my first impressions, I have to tell you, the display on it looks amazing. You've got a similar type layout here. The top part displays the recording time, microphone and the battery level. At the bottom you've got gallery, video resolution, modes, camera settings and general settings. The SJ8 Pro also supports digital zoom function. You can go up to 8x zoom with these buttons. And since it has a touch display, you can easily navigate and adjust the settings. The touch sensitivity is also very good. Since this is just an unboxing and overview on the camera, we won't be going in depth. We'll cover all the software features, the performance and the camera quality in the full review video. Before I can make that full review, I have to use this camera for some time, so stay tuned for that video guys. But I don't want to end this video here right now. I want to show you what this camera is capable of. Alright guys, now I'll give you a quick video sample shot in 4K 60 FPS on the SJ8 Pro. So let's check it out. The videos look awesome in 4K 60, right? I'm quite impressed by this action camera. So that was my unboxing and overview on the SJcam SJ8 Pro 4K action camera. It produces some great results. I'll be using this camera for some time before I can make a full review on it. In the full review video, we'll cover all of its features, different video and photo modes. I'll collect a lot of samples for you, and we'll also talk about the battery life. The SJ8 Pro costs about 20,000 rupees and is available only on Gearbest right now. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can get it from there. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.